Yo, what's going on YouTube? CJ Brandon is back with a new video for you guys today on day 4 of our Vlogmas / Techmas. Today we're actually going to be reviewing all 3 headphones that we just previously reviewed. This is going to be the JVC True Wireless, then also the JVC True Wireless Mini, and then also the JLab Go AirPods. So as you guys can tell, they're all coming in the same pretty much color. I won't even say pretty much color, but they are coming in the same exact color. They're in a matte black finish. They all have small pods besides the JVC. I'm gonna go ahead and call them again the parent version. But anyway, the mini JVCs and also the JLabs, they pretty much look identical to me, honestly. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video, you guys. But before we do that, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bells on for some more content. Let's get it. Key features that I'm loving about all 3 of these headphones is this. They all are IPX4 rated. So what that means is that basically, you know, sweat resistance and also rain proof. There's not going to be any sort of damage like that unless you straight up drop these in the toilet or either do what you gotta do. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyway, other than that as well, they're very compact as well. Even the JVC True Wireless, the regular version, those, you know, they're still compact no matter what. The case differences as well. I mean, obviously we have the minis. They're obviously going to be the smaller case. However, the minis has the thickest case out of all 3 of them. So, you know, that's what we get for, you know, lesser compactability. Now, it's something else as well, weight-wise. I do want to say that the JVCs, the JVC brand, they are way much more heavy than the JLabs as well. I may get the names mixed up because they're all J's and they all look the same a little bit. Some other things about these headphones as well are that the JLabs, it comes with its own charger built into it, so that may, you know, cause issues, but they're only 20 bucks. That's that. And then the JVC Mini, there are USB-C charged compared to the the JVC's True Wireless headphones. They're going to be a mini USB. Oh my God, yeah, mini USB-B port. We just went over this when we was unboxing it. I forgot again. Oh my God. That's just because that wire right there is coming obsolete. We don't use it anymore. We're strictly, well, I'm personally strictly going over to, I still got USB-A, of course, and USB-Cs. But yeah, so that's that. So what we're going to do in this video as well, we're going to be talking about the sound quality wise and also the microphone settings. This video is not going to be that long because there's not that much to go over because we went over everything literally in the past 3 videos. So with that being said, we're going to hook up all 3 of these to the iPhone 13. We're going to go ahead and do a quick video and just see, you know, how does they all sound. And hopefully we don't have anything bad to say, but we'll see, man, what's going on. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the JLabs right here since we already got them connected since that was our last video. Let's go ahead and plug these things up right quick. This is going to be the right ear. I got to figure out how to put these things in my ear properly. But then we're going to start a quick video. I'm going to let you guys hear the video as well because I won't be able to tell it. Let's go to camera right quick. All right, cool. So it's going to go ahead and record. All right, you guys, so we went ahead and got the JLabs in our ears right now. We're just going to test them out to see what's going on with that, and hopefully the you know, the microphone settings isn't bad. Now what we're going to do is this as well. I'm going to cut the video right quick. I had to go change the battery in this camera. I forgot to charge up last night, my bad. All right, you guys, that right there was totally a part of the video. We're just talking, you know, we're just talking. Let's go ahead and put them back in there. Good thing about the oh my gosh. Bro, this is how I know I don't need no small earbuds. I constantly drop them. I constantly drop the case. Matte finish as well. Whatever. But let's go ahead and hook up the JVCs. As you guys, so we're back in. I got the JLab Minis hooked up. And one thing I will say is this, that the JLab Minis, they actually have a very much more comfortable fit in my ears than the JLabs do. Lord, I made it. The JVC, just so they're so weird. I don't know if I said JVC. I don't forgot that fast. Wow. Anyway, the JVC Gumi Minis, they have a better comfortable fit in my ears, way much better than the JLabs do. And they pretty much have the same exact size, you know, earbuds as well. But these right here feel way much better. And yeah, but maybe I need to go ahead and change the gel tips on those right quick. But like I said, the JVCs, they fit way much better so far. But we got the sound quality test on that right there, so let's go and take these out, and then we're going to hook up the big boys because I've actually never tested the sound No, I've actually never did the sound test on those, I believe, so I gotta remember that right quick. So let's go ahead and put those back in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and go back to our settings and stuff. I'm gonna have like so much Bluetooth connectivity. But anyway, that's all cool. Let me see, just make sure I got the right and left. Yep, right here. And these things are so big. Like, let's go and get these turned on right quick. All right, cool. One thing again as well, these fit great in my ears as well. I don't have any complaints about it. It's just a simple fact that I don't like the gel tips, because when I have the gel tips in my ear, I feel like that, I just feel like that I can't really hear. I don't know, it just feel like, I don't know, it feels weird. It's like I'm in water and everything. So let's go ahead and go to the video right quick. So this right here is going to be audio test for the JVC's True Wireless, the longer versions, not the minis, but the longer versions right here. And hopefully this, you know, it sounds pretty chill, but I'm going to compare it to, like I said, all three of them right there. But yeah, man, so hopefully that we'll like the sound quality of them. But like I said, I'm also going to go ahead and play the sound quality for everybody so you guys can hear it yourselves. Hopefully you can, no promises, but we'll try to see what's up, man. So that was that test right there. Let's take these out right here and put them back in the case. Got to make sure. That's a good thing as well for me is that they actually have the certain what is it called, the labels on it for right and left, because I wouldn't be able to tell. Anyway, let's go ahead and go to our photos right quick. Let's go ahead and test those sounds out. So the first sound we're going to hear is going to be the JLabs. Here's right now. We're just going to test them out to see what's going on with that, and hopefully the you know, the microphone settings isn't bad. Now what we're going to do is this is, I'm going to cut the video right quick. I gotta go change the battery in this camera. So yeah, that right there was the JLabs. That didn't sound that bad, but it did sound like it was coming directly from the iPhone itself. So we got to figure out if that's the case, because if it is, then we got to try something different. But anyway, let's go ahead and move over to the second one, which is going to be the JVC Minis. All right, guys, so we're back in. I got the JLab Minis hooked up. And one thing I will say is this, that the JLab Minis, they actually have a very much more comfortable fit in my ears than the JLabs do. Lord, I made the JVC. Yeah, so yeah, that right there was the JVC Gumi Minis, but then let's go ahead and figure out the difference. This right here is going to be audio test for the JVC's True Wireless, the longer versions, not the minis, but the longer versions right here. And hopefully this, you know, it sounds pretty chill, but I'm going to compare it to... Yeah, so honestly, the JVC brands, they sound the same, which I was pretty much expecting that. The minis, it may have like a slight off chance from the big versions, but other than that, they're pretty much spot on. Now the JLabs, these sound straight up great. I'm not gonna fake it. Those sound like I straight up, like, I was gonna show y'all again, but I mean, y'all can rewind the video hopefully. But they sound like they're coming straight off the iPhone, so it wasn't really echoey. It was very, you know, dominant and loud. So shout out to JLab for that. You guys got a great microphone system in there as well. So you know, now you guys should know which headphone to pick up. Sound quality wise, the JLabs, they're taken out. JVCs, they're there, but like I said, they sound 50 times better than the JLabs, honestly. But that's that right there. So that's all three headphones right there. Like I said, they're all coming in the same exact matte black finish as well. There's nothing more, nothing less to it. The JVC Minis, they cost at $15. And then the longer versions are $30, and then the JLabs, they're only $20 as well. So I mean, we got us, like, you know, a very nice suite right here. So if you guys do need to pick up some products for your family or friends, check one of these out as well. You know, if you want them to have like a great microphone, go ahead and go with the JLabs. But if you want them to have sound quality but like a semi-great microphone, pick up one of the JVC brands. But you guys, that's all I got for today's video, because like I said, there's not a lot that we need to go over, because I want you guys to watch the 3 other videos and compare and contrast each one of those as well. Oh, let me throw this in as well. The battery life, that is another major freaking thing I forgot to throw in. That's major right there. So the JLabs, those are 32 plus hours, meaning as in you can do 8 hours inside the case and then 24 hours outside of the case. So that right there, you get basically about a good 4 charges off of that JLab system right there. Let's take that out the bundle right quick. And then same with both JVCs, they both come in with 15 hours of additional battery life, meaning that, well, 15 hours playtime, I should say. And that means you get 6 hours outside of the case, meaning as in earbuds are in your ears, and then the rest of the hours, which is going to be 9+ hours inside the case charging up. So you get at least about like 1 play, Yeah, you get two and a half, about 2.25 probably play time with these headphones. But anyway, you guys, we're officially done with the video. We're done reviewing those right there. Once again, these are all 3 products right here, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and drop down a like on the video. Throw some comments down which one of these were your favorite headphones or wireless earbuds, I should say, out of this bundle. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.